closer! I can see it in the distance!
Oh boy, I'm so happy! The wintry surprise is so close!
From here on out, gang, with these snowshoes, the rest of our journey will be a piece of cake!
I love cake.
Onward and upward!
Whoa! Hey, you guys! I don't know about you, but I'm having a really hard time keeping my balance.
Me too, also. I'm slipping and sliding, but it's not like the fun kind.
Whoa! This ice isn't so nice. Thank you. Tally. Whoa!
Man, oh man, that ice sure was slippery.
How are we ever gonna make it back up? It's way too hard.
Maybe we can use our speed to our advantage. Okay, back up, everyone. We're gonna get a running start, and then our momentum will take us to the top of the hill!
It's working! Actually, it's not working. I stand corrected.
Oh man.
Let me think.
Oh, I wish we could just climb up like that Wolverine over there.
Okay, how's he doing that?
This time it's definitely magic, right, Hal?
It's not magic. Look at the Wolverine's toes. Look how curved and sharp those claws are. They grip the ice so the Wolverine doesn't slide backwards.
But without claws like his, how will we make it up the hill?
Well, we learned from the snow goose and the snowshoe hare, so how about we learn from the Wolverine? It's kind of a pattern.
Yes! Brilliant thinking, Squeaks!
That's it. We can add spikes to our feet, just like the Wolverine's claws. But where can we find spikes out here?
Voila! Sure is a good thing I kept these from Halloween last year. Really good for the story.
Oh, wow, sweet! This seems to be working.
Yeah, I'm not slipping and sliding anymore.
Oh, I can't wait for the wintry surprise.
Gee, nature sure is filled with all kinds of incredible solutions to problems.
Hey, Granny Bunny. Oh, Daisy, you finally made it. Okay, are you ready for your big wintry surprise?
Granny! Whoa, so cool, Granny Bunny.
You are all about to take a ride on, wait for it, the best sledding course of all time! Hooray! And now that we have the right equipment for this winter wonderland, we can ride these